Hey everybody, John Stovall, MarineMax Lake Lanier. You join me today on a 2025 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. This is a stern drive version. This boat is fantastic. Let me walk you through a couple highlights that this boat has. One being the extendable sunshade that is extends at the power of a button. You've got the transom sun pad conversion, which allows you to open that up for nice sun padding. You got the hydraulic swim platform upgrade. This is fantastic for getting anybody in and out of the boat, but also dogs and things like that. Battery access to the port side as well. Cup holders back here, so even if you are hanging out, you got a place to put your drink. Follow me on through. In the cockpit, you have nice wraparound seating. There is a table that goes here. Table's nice and large, so you can put out hors d'oeuvres, drinks, play cards, what have you. But tons of seating here. Again, all covered by the shade. You have your day galley up here with your sink and grill, as well as receptacle outlet and refrigerator. AC out here as well with your controls and your events. Flip-flop co-captain's chair. Easy as that. Now this is the open style 320. You can get it with enclosed glass or a full windshield with the half glass. Also an option, sun top opening. So now you have a convertible that you've always wanted in your 320 Sundancer. Twin captain's chairs with the bolsters, Mercury joystick autopiloting with heading hold and skyhook, and twin Simrad 12-inch displays. Now follow me up, let me show you what makes this boat special. The 320 Sundancer really does it all because you have a full sun pad up here, so you can treat it like a bow rider, but also your normal cruiser amenities such as your spotlight, your anchor windlass, and your washdown, etc. up here as well. Follow me on back, we'll go to the cabin. Now you join me in the cabin. This is a forward V berth with a converting table. It's in berth mode now. Back behind you though, you do have a full, almost queen size berth that 2 adults can comfortably sleep on, or your kids if you'd rather be up here in the bow. Also in the cabin, you do have a microwave and another refrigerator, and a full head right behind Jen here. And a full head with glass sink, tile floor, which looks awesome, and your shower curtain. This is a wet head as well. Thanks for taking the time to join us. This is a 320 Sundancer. You visit us at www.marinemax.com.